Well, good morning people from the Ace Hotel here in Hua Hin, right? Today I'm off on another little journey. I'm going to see another big huge Buddha, right? But I'm also going to another national park with loads of waterfalls. So you're all very welcome to join me, my friends. God, I was shattered by the time I got back yesterday with the humidity, and we had mad rain here, mad rain all night. So the forecast is for thunderstorms, so I might get soaked on this trip, my friends, but you're all very welcome to join me, so stay tuned. Okay? Cool. Wow. I have a look at this super cool Buddha here, my friends. A big black Buddha. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Look. Look at the elephant. And a Buddha on top of the elephant. Same here this side. Buddha on top of the elephant. He was saying there that to be a monk there's 227 rules. And they have breakfast in the morning, and the last breakfast is at 12 noon. And nothing until the next morning. And of course they have water, right? But yeah, you know yourself. But that is seriously impressive. Seriously impressive. You think it was real? It's a fabulous Buddha, I have to say. Oh, sorry, not a Buddha, is it? Yeah, it is a Buddha, yeah. Monk. Right, so what means temple in Thai? So I was told by the guide here, but as you can see, I'm kind of bypassing him. Anyway, look at this. Look at all these Buddhas. What did they do? They sit down with their legs crossed all day, doing nothing, right? And then, oh, the wise Buddha. But wouldn't you be wise too if you were sitting on your arse all day, going inwards and coming up with these great quotes? Now, funny enough now, I have quotes and lovely kind of, lovely positive quotes. You might not think I do, but I do. To read, you know what I mean? To try and, if you're self-confident, right? A lot of them are from Buddhism, right? But, okay, it's not a religion. But this idea, they bow down like and worship the Buddha. It's just incomprehensible to me, I have to say. It really is. And then, that tour guide man was saying that I think I got this right. He says that they believe that the kings of Thailand was given to them by God to keep them all safe, you know what I mean? So that's another one I find a bit incredulous, that 67 million people believe in all that crap. There's no such thing as royalty, my friends. No such thing. It's bullshit. Do you know what I mean? Now, you may think that I'm being negative. I'm just expressing how I feel about things, right? It's my opinion, right? So, I'll probably insulting loads of people, but I just personally think it's like, yeah, it's a comfort blanket to them. It's this what they do here is makes them feel comfortable. Or they feel that this is helping them in their lives, and maybe it is, right? But overall, all this ritualistic stuff, you know what I mean, means absolutely nothing. It really doesn't. That's how I see it, my friends. But look at that for a Buddha statue, isn't it fantastic? It really is. It's absolutely fantastic. Oh, it's absolutely fantastic. Actually, this Buddha statue is probably the best Buddha statue I've seen on my travels in Thailand. It's so realistic, it's unreal. It really is now. Yeah, it's fantastic. So that big Buddha there is only 20 years old. Built 20 years ago. And it's absolutely fabulous. Fabulous. Yeah. So like, take my hat off, you know the usual crack. Yeah, it's a whole discipline, isn't it? Like, you know what I mean? Buddhism. I'm not saying it's not good for your life, but but this whole ritualistic thing and bowing down to Buddha and praying to Buddha is just not up my street, my friends, at all. Not at all. So the ashes of one of the Buddhas is here, right? Probably one of the famous Buddhas. I don't know who exactly, but anyway. I have to say, when it comes to temple building, it is just fabulous. The creativity involved in building these temples is just second to none. Right, the doors open into the temple here, so you can look in here. I think.
You see the steps, so
Wow.
have a bit different.
Oh yes, yes,
The layer,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
Means like the step up. Is that the part
Yeah.
of a monk that
Yes.
for do the ceremony, right?
Yeah.
Now like snakes, right? That we call naga,
You see
because
the-
they are like brought up
The
snakes.
two different levels there. Look, this level and that level, right? So the bottom level is for the majority of the Thai people who don't become monks, because they really only what would you call it, obey 5 rules of Buddhism, whereas monks have to obey 227 different rules, right? Some discipline, isn't it? Yeah, and so he's after saying, like, so the monk is at a higher level than they are. So straight away he's putting another human being above another human being, if you know what I mean. And he's saying it's the same thing with the royal family. They're on a different level, they're on a higher level. You know what I mean? So like, yeah, see, I don't like that at all. But anyway, yeah, so like, it is some discipline in all these religions, like, you know, to become a monk or to become a priest or something. You know, it's like, it's a discipline, right? But I often wonder, is it a brainwashing? To me, I think it's a brainwashing, you know what I mean? That's my own personal opinion. But I don't know, they say that if you go through all the different stages of enlightenment, yeah, you know, you're going to feel a better human being, you know what I mean? Because you're not supposed to be wrapped up in the material world and stuff. It's more of the spiritual world. But yeah, you know. But another beautiful temple here, beautiful. Right, people, so this is another pineapple farm here. And as you can see, it's full of pineapples. Look at the different sizes here, look. So I think yesterday the other tour guide was saying you can get 3 crops out of this field of pineapples, right? And there's numerous varieties of pineapples. So I said all over this whole area here around Hua Hin, right? You have pineapples growing, you have mangoes, you have coconuts, you have sugar cane, you have chili peppers, you have banana plantations, so many different kind of fruits kind of farms. And the man yesterday was saying that I think most of the mangoes and stuff get sent out to Japan. Japan loves the pineapples they produce here, and yeah, so they export an awful lot of their fruits. Yeah, so there's 15 waterfalls here, right? But we're only going to the first 5 because they're saying that the rest of the way up there is a bit too dangerous, you know what I mean? So slippy and stuff, so we're going to the first 5, okay? So U Waterfall. So it says the waterfall is a part of U Forest in Kang Kra Shan National Park's compound. Covers an area of 273,125 rays or 43,700 hectares. It is such a thick and fertile forest where a group of carrions live. There are 2 places of the falls, U Yai, a major, and U No, a minor, which reveal something tears. Okay, so let's do this, my friends. So it's 750 meters to the 5th level. So that's well over 1,000 feet, isn't it? It is, yeah. Good bit of climbing to do, my friends. There's some mad noise here, I don't know what it is. But there's the river down below, going through all the rocks. Mad, my friends, mad. So these are the animals that are in this area here, look. You have the Asian elephant, you have a leopard, a gaur, a serow, whatever that is. Look, a Malayan tapir, a ratchet-tailed tree pie, a great slatty woodpecker, a great hornbill, crested jay, Tickle's brown hornbill. Look at all these super cool butterflies, look. Banded peacock, common horned-wing, Godfrey's jungle queen, Burmese jungle queen, spangle. And look at the kind of plants you have here, look. Sapria ram, magnolia henry, magnolia rhododendron, wow. Little grocery stop. Yeah, that noise is from the cicada. Mad, isn't it? Oh, this is super cool, my friends. I feel like singing that song from, who do you call them? Not AC/DC. Oh, Jesus. They were huge in the 90s. God, I had them at home. Flipping hell. The song was, you know, welcome to the jungle. Do, 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 do. To the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Actually, I can't think of the name of the band. Huge band. American band. Wow. Guns N' Roses. Jesus Christ. Look at this, my friends. Look at this. Super cool. You know, like the climate change, right? Now, I'm not a climate change denier, by the way, right? But I do think that even if we reach our climate targets, we're not going to stop the change that's happening in the earth anyway. You know what I mean? Like, the earth is also doing its thing as well as us doing it. You know what I mean? But people say, oh, you need more trees, you need more trees. Maybe we do, right? But the drive to here was about an hour, right? And I just millions and millions and millions of trees, my friends. Okay, so yeah, so there's freshwater carp here and there's freshwater crab in the river here, right? So yeah, oh, this is super cool now. I'm enjoying this, my friends. In the jungle. They call it the forest, but it's not, it's a jungle. Because there's loads of shit in here that can bite you. Look at this. Pretty cool. I am enjoying this, my friends. I love the sound of water rushing over rocks and stuff. It's fantastic, you know. So they have a tourist police here, look. Tourist police, 1155. Oh, this is so cool, my friends. So cool. Look at the branches on this tree, look. Wow. That is super cool. But I get down here to this waterfall. And I'm going to lower the shutter speed here and try and get a nice kind of smooth picture of this waterfall with my camera. Oh, that is just so cool, my friends, so cool. Loving this. Oh, this is fabulous, my friends. Fabulous. Look at this. Look at that butterfly. Welcome to the jungle. to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, this is just super cool. Super, super cool, my friends. Do this if you come to Hua Hin, right? Come out to the waterfalls. This is spectacular. It really is. Wow. Look at the trees, my friends. Oh, this is beautiful, my friends. Beautiful. Loving it. All the different kinds of plants that's in here is incredible. It's definitely the jungle. Wow. Amazing, my friends. Amazing. What is that?
Iguana.
Oh.
See?
Oh,
we call
right, yeah, yeah.
We call kinka. I think so. Maybe they're pregnant, no?
Hello.
No.
Well, yeah. Are you well? Well, you seem very, very friendly to me. Very friendly. Wow.
Super friendly.
That's an iguana. Look at this. Look at the way it's going round branches. So this is amazing. As you say in America, awesome. And you know something, it is awesome. Wow. Look at these trees and branches squiggling their way around. Look. What do you think? Magnificent, isn't it? Loving this, my friends, loving this. Spectacular. I'll say it again, my friends, spectacular. Okay. This is definitely a bit like an adventure, isn't it? This is what I want.
Definitely, yeah.
Okay. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Amazing. See all them butterflies, my friends. It's like a dream, isn't it? Fabulous. I'm having a whirl of a time here, my friends. See, with all the rain we had last night, you know, the rocks are getting very slippy. Look at this, kind of like a black type of dragonfly. Amazing. And just after seeing a fish leap out of the water there. Incredible. Just leaping up there at one of the little waterfalls. Spectacular. That would have been brilliant to get in the camera, wouldn't it? The leaping fish. I'm sure if I stayed here long enough I'd get one of them. Oh look! Look at all the fish here, look, look! Wow! Look at this, my friends! Hello, fish! Hello, fishies! Oh, this is super cool! Come and do this, my friends! I didn't think it was going to be this good, but it's brilliant! Brilliant! Woohoo! There's one really big fish just right here, look. Don't know if I can show it to you. Oh, it's probably gone there now. Yeah, he's just over there, look at him. Really big one. Amazing. Look at the dragonfly here, look. Can you see that? Wow. See, all the different kinds of butterflies here is just incredible. Oh, I'm having a ball here, my friends. Hello, little butterfly. You flew away. Oh, hello. Oh my God. Hello, dragonfly. How are you? Incredible. Absolutely incredible. The sweat is dripping off me, but I don't care because I'm having such a fantastic time. Whew! This is brilliant. So delighted I done this, my friends. So delighted. Amazing flora and fauna here, my friends. Mind-blowing stuff. Oh, the humidity. It's back again, my friends. There's so many different coloured butterflies, and they're not kind of settling. And yeah, so it's hard to get film and a picture of them. So we're just going to one more level. Imagine how there's 15 different levels on this. I suppose if you came on your own, you could probably do them, you know what I mean? Probably insurance wise, they don't want to go any further, if you know what I mean. But anyway, spectacular. Look at the root of this tree. It's like a big anaconda or something, isn't it? Spectacular. Wow. Wow. They must be bamboos there, look. Looks like bamboo to me. Amazing what you see, isn't it? In a different environment. Thousands of miles away from home. It's great. The jungle. Welcome to the jungle. There's loads of ants here I can see as well. Doing their thing. In the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. Wow. Look at the decaying trunk of the tree, left to do its thing in the forest. So this is at the third waterfall, right? So the U Waterfall is this whole complex, right, of 16 waterfalls, right? So it's just saying here, the U Waterfall has 16 steps. The third stage itself has a large deep pool in here, right? And most visitors will be happy to spend their time here. The water is always cool and refreshing, and there are plenty of large fish swimming in it that are friendly. But please don't try to catch them. You are in a national park and this is forbidden. The falls can be visited at any time of the year, but will be in their prime during and just after the rainy season, between July and November. At all times of year it is wise to be careful of slippery stones, although the path to the third level is well taken care of and relatively safe. Higher up can get dangerous. So that's why they don't want you to go further than the fifth one, right? Breathtaking, my friends, breathtaking. Again, there's loads of little fish in here, and this one here. So you can swim in here if you want, with the fish. You see all the fish down there doing their thing, huh? I'm not going to fit them. I'm not going to throw them down to the waterfall because there's a father and son in there. They're swimming beside the waterfall and they're bonding. It looks great, you know what I mean? Spectacular actually. Very good to see. Yeah. And the mother is sitting down with the daughter. That's the family that's after coming with us on that trip. And she's sitting with the daughter and she's just laughing at the father, at her husband and her son in the pool by the waterfall. It's great, you know what I mean? Spectacular. Oh, this is great. I have to say, well worth this trip, my friends. Well worth it. Right, people. So that's it from the U Waterfalls here in Hua Hin, right? Fantastic, well worth a trip. Don't miss this coming out here if you come to Hua Hin, right? Now, if you want to do all 15 waterfalls, it's a long trek, right? Or way up. You're climbing all the way up, right? And the humidity gets more intense the more you climb. And yeah, so if you're coming here, if you're coming independently, you could do the whole 15 if you wanted to. You know what I mean? Like, so yeah. So that's it, my friends. from another adventure in Thailand in Hua Hin. Stay tuned because we're stopping at a restaurant for lunch now, okay? So yeah, so see us all at the restaurant before I close down this video, okay? Take care, my friends. Right, I'm just looking here on the map, right? So we went as far as here, look, 3. And that was a bit of a trip. And look how far you'd have to go along the river and climbing, remember now, all the way to number 15. It's a long, long way. As I said, the humidity is incredible. So to level 5, we didn't even go to level 5, and level 5 is 750 meters. And the distance back is 1,500 kilometers. So I think that 750 meters is an elevation, right? I'm only thinking that. Right, so anyway, yeah, that's the situation, my friends. There's a gas there. I just asking the guy in the information hut there, was 750 meters in height to number 5, and he hadn't got a clue what I was saying, and he was trying to explain to me in his language, in Thai language, right? And of course I'm there going, oh yeah, I understand. I hadn't got a clue what he was saying. You know, it just makes out that language really, it's gobbledygook, isn't it, really? Even English is gobbledygook. I mean, you see, like, somebody decided to call this a hat, but it could have been called cabbage, it could have been called a turnip, it could have been called a car. Do you get where I'm coming from? Like, language is just communication, but basically it's bullshit. Everything in this life, my friends, is bullshit. That may sound sad or not a nice thing to say, but it's the truth. That's the real truth about life, my friends. It really is. Right, the tour guide is just after telling me there, right? I went to head back because I was on my own, right? And that family, the husband and wife and the daughter and the son, were coming back slower, obviously, with the tour guide. But he's after showing me a video on his phone. Just when you're coming back, there's a snake blocking the way on the rocks, and he videoed it, right? It's a skinny snake, right? And I asked him, was it poison? He says, yeah, absolutely, he says. So I came back, I came by that area, but I didn't see the snake, but obviously he was there. That's what I'm saying, loads of poisonous snakes over here, my friends. Loads and loads of them. Right, people, so this is a restaurant stop or a cafe stop here. So we're going to get something to eat. So I'll just show you what I'm going to get, and then I'll close up the video. Oh, okay, thank you. Well, people, that's it from a cafe somewhere in the countryside outside Hua Hin, right? That was a fantastic day. To the waterfalls, the U Waterfalls. There's 15 of them, but you can realistically only get to 5 of them because it's very dangerous. And yeah, that was way better than what I thought it was going to be. And look at this view here; it's fantastic. This kind of, actually, this part here with all the trees up on the hills or mountains is reminding me of cairns in Australia. Yeah, so that's it, my friends. Another great day. And look at this lovely little dog beside me. Hello, little doggy. Can I pet you? Oh, look at that best dog. You're the best dog in Thailand, aren't you? You're beautiful. Oh, look at that. Don't you love that? Yes, you do. I wonder what's your name. I wonder what your name is. I'm from Ireland. Yeah, I'm from Ireland. Came all the way to see you. Way up here in the countryside, outside Hua Hin. You're not going to bite me, are you? No? No, I don't think so. You're so friendly. You're so friendly. Yeah, so people, that's it, my friends. So stay tuned now for the next video. I might do just probably one more video maybe before I go home, or maybe do two, I don't know, I'll see. So stay tuned, my friends, till next Sunday. Press the notification bell to know when the videos are uploaded, normally up on a Sunday at 5 p.m. or after 5 p.m. And if you like the video, please press like, and if you're new to the channel, please press subscribe, it's free, okay? So from somewhere in the countryside outside Hua Hin in Thailand, in southern Thailand, bye, okay?
Yeah.